योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोतं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि.
Really glad I'm able to connect to you and all the like-minded friends. And it was a big opening for me to study anatomy, and this is just a beginning for me. So I hope to continue this journey
थैंक यू
long.
सो मच सर. आई होप कि और भी ज्यादा मैं आपके जितने भी कोर्स है आई वांट टू कंडक्ट इट.
Okay, so I just personally, I just want to say a big thank you for just for the entire course, for just the way you've trained us, given us so much, and I think it's gone above and beyond what most people would ever give. To be honest, you like shared everything in terms of knowledge, in terms of resources, a lot of your time, and I can see the effort that you've put into the entire course. And I'm sure everyone here would completely agree with me. It's been just absolutely phenomenal being a part of this course. I think it was a very right decision. And as someone said yesterday, this is only the beginning. Like, I look forward to all of the other courses that you have. Thank you.
First of all, thank you so much for your time. I loved your enthusiasm and also the way you shared, as Rita mentioned, not only your knowledge, all the resources. I mean, this is not new for me actually, because I was very pleased to have you a few years ago in Goa giving me training for a month or more. I don't know, something like that. Tremendous experience. I learned so much. Oh, anyway, what I wanted to say about this training, this course that I did, it has been an incredible impact on my lessons. Though we just started, I started digesting. It has been giving a very good impact into my lessons in the last days, because my cueing is more precise. I understand more the activity of the muscles, because when I do my practice in the morning, I can feel and follow exactly what we were talking about. And then I go and I give my lessons with exactly the same feeling and sensations I'm getting from it. So it has been really useful for me to do this, kind of unlock this foggy understanding, and now it's much more clear. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Julian. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you.
So for me, sir, you are the true yogi. You've given so much, so much. It's like indeed overwhelming. For me, thank you is just not enough. And here you have shared so much wholeheartedly, not just through the lessons, but also through the numerous books that you've given us. And that is like truly, truly amazing. We've learned so much, so much. For me, you've taught me to think in a totally different manner. Like for example, when you say that when you see a person with a forward head posture, start thinking which are tight, which muscles are weak, what is underactive, what is overactive. Start thinking right down from the toe. So this is something which is truly incredible, and this is what true learning is, when a teacher actually um, um, encourages you to think, and when you start thinking about the subject means you're really learning. So for me, it's like it's been a tremendous journey, and I'll be missing this 1.5 hours tomorrow onwards, and for the next few days I know I'll be missing you, so I'll be missing all these people, and everybody's been so positive and so enthusiastic, and the energy has been really, really good. So thank you so much, sir. It's been incredible being on this journey with you. Looking forward for more.
To the world, you may be a teacher, but to your students, you are a hero.
अरे क्या
And
बात है.
sir, you truly are. The first and foremost reason being now, the way you share things, it comes very naturally in a very unfiltered manner. Otherwise, whenever we see people are very restrictive kind when sharing, ki we also have to take care commercially, this or that, and like no, वो 100% nahi aata. You connect through so many things, or
point was musculoskeletal system with yoga, but then you also cross connected, and the way you corrected me also, and you keep saying otherwise also that explore. Yoga should not be the only way. So that shows your wholeheartedness as a person, and definitely that also flew around in whatever you taught the things. So thank you, sir, for being one.
Thank you very much.
And I really wish to connect more often to you. And I'm really lucky to have been able to join this course.
So I just joined this course 1 month back, and even Bhavna ji also asked me, Bhavna Desai, okay, what are the things Pisara Gosar is going to teach? And I said I don't know anything. I just have belief in sir, and just I enrolled for this course. So thank you, sir. And in the future again, I would like to again enroll for new courses.
First of all, I want to thank you so much. Thank you so much. Sir. The way you teach is absolutely fantastic, sir. I'm a student. I'm not a yoga teacher, but still, I'm able to understand the things very, very well. Thank you so much for everything. Means I can see your passion. While you're talking, while you're giving us the instructions and everything. It's amazing, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
पता चला कि सर ने कुछ कोर्स डाला है, तो क्योंकि मेरा घर में टॉपिक एक ही रहता है, रितेश सर, और सुबह से मैं इवनिंग का वेट करती हूँ 6 o'clock का, कब होगा मैं क्लास को अटेंड करूंगी. So from tomorrow onwards that will not be there. But still sir has given so much, so we can go through that. It is just the beginning, as sir has told. Thank you, sir, for everything.
Still learn a lot from Ritesh. So it was really, really, really like, not just that I learned, but just I just enjoyed it. What I think about this course, I think that you gave not just your knowledge, but I think you gave all your heart. And to me, that what comes from your teaching is just not just the passion, but just the willing, like you said, to share. And like you said, it's right. It's like your students are a reflection of the teacher. So you get the students at your level of consciousness also. So, that's why every student comes to you, you are ready for the students to teach. Thank you, Ritesh. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Everyone. First of all, thank you very much, Ritesh ji. And I check you out on the YouTube. And when I look at you on the YouTube video, that really impressed me. And that really, kind of give me a sort of assurance that you are a good teacher. So it was first impressions, and I have learned a lot throughout this 20 days. Sorry.
ठीक है. एंड उसका कमीशन भी देना है मेरे पास. In both the ways, on monetary point of view also, they are very good client of mine, right? अब मैं इधर भी जाऊं उधर भी जाऊं, मैंने कहा लैपटॉप लेके घूमूंगा मैं. Never came into my mind that I have to use it. Yesterday you created that spark. That okay, let me try. I said, let me try. Namaste, Kalpana. I don't know. I should write up something. I should take a write up and speak, because there are no words at the end. What should I like? I had some points to speak earlier. Now there are no points to speak. So what I should speak, I don't know, but let me try. So today what we are focusing on is sharing the certificates. Okay, so as I told you, every time I always feel that I don't know anything. I am always having that fear that I don't know anything. I need to learn more. I need to learn more. Every time with every TTC that happens, I mean, always that fear, Ritesh, you need to read more. You need to read more. That is always there. It keeps me that always on my toes. That no, you need to learn more. You don't know anything. I will only say one word. Mugambo khush hua. So what does that mean? Okay, Julian. So in India, we have a movie. And whenever that villain gets happy, he said, okay, Ritesh is happy. So that villain name is Mogambo. Khush means happy. Okay, so Mogambo Khush hua means I am happy. I will share you one very nice experience, friends. On the point of watching people and understanding which muscles are tight, which muscles are weak. So I was at a Churchgate station. In India, we have a Churchgate station, and I and my wife Sangeeta were, at the station. And as usual, the crowd was passing by. I saw one male going by. Okay, he's running. His head is forward. He's holding a suitcase. So because he's holding a suitcase, his anterior delta is getting. I know. I was just thinking in my mind. Then a nice female is walking by with high heel, buttocks slightly anteriorly tilted, and all this. So I was like, oh, high heel. Okay, that means the gastrocnemius is too much tight. Anterior tibialis is, and she's moving, and I'm watching. Then I saw the, okay, buttocks anteriorly tilted. Okay, and the chest, okay, is, and I don't know. I was so into it, watching the gait, watching the posture. My wife sees me and she's saying, "What are you staring at?" I said, I had to explain her that, see, it is anatomy. It is anatomy. But from there, I saw you from there to here, which is the study you are doing. I mean to say, it was a long. I mean, see, I tried to explain. See that when she was walking, she is having a high heel, and then then I get, and then it took me 2-3 days for me to make her realize that, see, I was watching her posture. I was trying to see which muscles are tight. So my suggestion to all the males are, when your better half is there, don't do all these things. Okay, because then we'll know big soup. You have to make your wife understand that what is the problem. So when you so just because Mudra mentioned, that stuck into my mind, right? And I do it, I still do it when and now I see that if I have to check a female, I have to see my better half is there or not. Otherwise, I plan to see mostly males only, because I don't want to get into that, like, what are you doing every time watching females only? What is it? So I have to be now careful. But yes, reading students in your class is very important, because a student who is just walking into your class, you will come to know about his gait, about the way he speaks, the way he communicates with you. Within that 15-20 minutes, something you can easily take with his posture, the way he's talking, and everything. Yeah. Because I don't know, because for me, my family, my friends are you all. I don't have any, like, for me, because I'm so with, yoga teachers, first of all, don't connect with those people who talk rubbish. It's like, our problem is that we need genuine people. And nowadays it is difficult to find genuine people who talk to the point. It's like we don't run around the bushes talking everything. So the problem is, in our society, we don't get those type of people who can connect at the spiritual level. All rubbish talks. Oh, I got a new bike. This is 300cc or 600cc. I'm going to say, it doesn't really matters to me. It is good. I'm happy. But like car, I bought a car. It's good, very nice. I'm very happy about it. But more than that, I'm least bothered about all these things. Now, when you meet with these type of people, they only talk like this. So for me, connection is not happening. So the best time to connect is with all you people, because we are here with a frame of mind, where we know whenever we connect. Like yesterday, I was talking, like today itself, I was talking with Arita, like 35-40 minutes, and I was enjoying. And next time, I don't know when Arita will meet or when he will stop. But whenever we talk, we just keep talking, because it's connection and like-mindedness. That's the reason rubbish people never come to us, because either we keep quiet, we don't talk only, because it is the best answer is not to talk. And that also happens sometimes with a better half also. I don't talk only. I just keep my mouth shut. Answer is given. Silence is the best answer, friends. Any situation, just keep mum. Simple
with relatives, you can't be silent also.
You should to train. You need to train.
You know what, sir?
Yeah.
So same thing अभी मेरे साथ होने लगी है. आप तो लोगों की बात, मैं घर पे ही अपने हस्बैंड और बेटे को बोलती रहती, you have to sit properly, you have to sit properly, pelvic neutral, spine is straight, chin tuck. Even when they eat food, I always tell them, sit straight, chin tuck, and then eat. So he told me, I have to eat my breakfast, not doing yoga. But I always tell them, sit straight, back straight. The part told, Mama, what is this chin tuck? Because this is called a chin tuck. Pelvic is neutral.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.